All right, guys, thanks for the fill. We got a Barismo Starbucks coffee maker. You can be a barista in your own house. Yes, it's true. 1 through 10 copy. We're live, 9:37. There it is, our list of 10. Two dice, going 11. And good luck, folks. Oh, Miguel, pay when you can, man. I was gonna hold it all up for $9, so you're good. PayPal's in the thread somewhere. 8, 9. All right, there's 10. We're going 11, 9:37. 11th and final winner is Cody, spot 5. Congrats, man. Inbox me your address. Get that out tomorrow. 11, 11, 9:37. There's our verification. Done.